Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the numbers as we start a new month for the market share of Windows versions. So what is happening with Windows 11? Well, it grew by almost 1% like last month. So this means that this is possibly a pretty much a way that Windows 11 is going to progress now, about 1% per month. Maybe it could go faster, but for now, Windows 10 is at 71.11%. So very dominant according to StatCounter. 23.9, so 24% to Windows 11. So we're not that far from one computer out of four that is actually running Windows 11, which is still a lot of machines, even though, of course, the market share is not growing very fast. But there's one interesting thing. If you take gamers on Steam, because they also released the numbers, gamers on Steam, 36% are now Windows 11. That is a high number. And of course, gamers tend to have the latest hardware or hardware that is compatible for the upgrade. And once again, in the survey, when they ask gamers if they are satisfied with Windows 11 gaming, big majority, more than 90%, say it is much better on Windows 11 than on Windows 10. So, we get a lot of different things depending on who you are talking about, performance, but it seems that gamers on Steam are very happy with Windows 11 on the gaming side of things. And so 36% for gamers, pretty high number. For the same Steam survey, Windows 10 has now is below 60%. So it gives you an idea that, gamers are, and will probably because of their hardware and who they are, usually more PC enthusiasts, probably move faster to the new operating system than the general population. But here, StatCounter is the standard Windows for, every day. And those numbers here are at 24%. So gaining 1% from last month, which was 23, or it was like 22.99 or something like that. Now it's 23.9, so almost 1%. And we'll see. And Windows 10 actually dropped from almost 1%. So it seems that what Windows 11 is gaining now is really taken from Windows 10 in general. So it's going to be interesting to see what will be these numbers. We're in July. What will be these numbers in December when we end the year? As we'll be a year away from Windows 12, roughly. We'll be 2 years away from the end of Windows 10 support. So these are going to be interesting numbers to check for and see where we are at. But if it would grow at 1% rate, roughly, that means we'd be maybe close to 30% by the end of the year. Will we reach 30% or even go higher than that? This is going to be an interesting number. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.